Have you ever wondered about the rich tapestry of Balinese culture and how it came to be? Well, let's take a journey back in time to the 1st century AD, when the roots of Balinese culture started to take form. Back then, Bali was a melting pot of influences from near and far. The biggest of these influences, Hinduism and Buddhism from India. These two religions not only brought new beliefs, but also transformed the local customs, arts, and traditions. The Balinese people embraced these influences and weaved them into their own vibrant culture, creating a unique blend that's unlike anywhere else in the world. From the intricate patterns of their traditional textiles to the mesmerizing rhythms of their music and dance, every aspect of Balinese culture carries echoes of these ancient influences. Yet, it's also uniquely their own, reflecting the spirit and resilience of the Balinese people. So, the roots of Balinese culture are indeed ancient, with a unique mix of local and foreign influences. Moving forward in time, let's delve into the golden age of Balinese culture. This period of cultural efflorescence traces back to the reign of the Majapahit Empire, when the island witnessed an unprecedented growth in the arts. Dance, music, and sculpture flourished, reflecting the richness of the Balinese way of life. Dance forms like Legong and Barong came to life, telling tales of myth and folklore through graceful movements and profound expressions. Music, another integral facet of Balinese culture, saw the birth of gamelan, a traditional ensemble music of Java and Bali that resonates even today. And let's not forget the intricate and elaborate sculptures that dot the island, each telling a story of its own. These art forms, though centuries old, continue to thrive in present-day Bali. They are not just remnants of a golden past, but living, breathing traditions that are testament to the island's vibrant culture. The Golden Age truly marked a period of artistic and cultural blossoming that continues to be preserved till this day. Fast forward to modern times, how does Balinese culture continue to thrive? Balinese culture is an ancient tree that has withstood the winds of change, firmly rooted in its traditions while reaching out toward the sky of modernity. This resilience is evident in the daily lives of the Balinese people, where ancient rituals and customs are woven into the fabric of the present. The day begins with Kanang Sari, a daily offering made to the spirits as a form of gratitude. Despite the bustling modern life, this beautiful practice continues, a testament to the Balinese devotion to their spiritual beliefs. Traditional art forms too continue to flourish. The intricate dances, the resonating gamelan music, and the compelling shadow puppet theatre all remain integral parts of the cultural landscape. The Balinese culture has also found an ally in tourism. The island's unique charm has attracted millions from around the world each year. This has led to a symbiotic relationship where tourism promotes Balinese culture, and in return, the rich cultural heritage enhances the tourist experience. The traditional arts and crafts, the vibrant festivals, and the sacred temples have become not just attractions, but ambassadors of Balinese culture to the world. However, the embrace of modernity has not come without challenges. The rapid pace of globalization threatens to dilute the cultural authenticity of Bali. Yet, it's this very challenge that has spurred the Balinese to guard their heritage more fiercely. Efforts are being made to educate the younger generation about the importance of their traditions, ensuring that the cultural baton is passed on intact. In addition, the international recognition of Balinese culture, such as the inclusion of the Subak irrigation system and the Kecak dance in UNESCO's heritage lists, has further bolstered these preservation efforts. So, in the face of modernity, Balinese culture flexes its resilience. It takes the challenges in stride, turning them into opportunities to reinforce its cultural identity, to innovate within tradition, and to share its rich heritage with the world. Despite the challenges of modernity, Balinese culture not only survives but thrives, continually captivating the world. So what have we learned about Balinese culture? We've journeyed through the ancient origins of this vibrant culture, where traditions were born from a blend of indigenous beliefs and foreign influences. We've witnessed its golden age, a period of prosperity and artistic flourishing that has left an indelible mark on Balinese identity. And we've seen how this culture, despite the challenges of modernity, has not only survived but thrived, adapting while retaining its unique essence. In reflecting on Balinese culture, we're reminded of its richness and diversity. It's a culture that embodies the power of tradition and resilience, as well as the capacity for innovation and creativity. Each dance, each ceremony, each piece of art tells us a story of a people who have managed to preserve their heritage and carry it forward. Indeed, the story of Balinese culture is a testament to the power of tradition, resilience, and creativity. It's a culture truly worth celebrating.